on.
No.
Please just do your work.
Okay.
Stop acting how you're acting today. Yeah, and so this isn't how you
How'd
normally
you get
behave.
that there? It's stretchable. Maybe I can fit it through my whole body.
When are we here, Martin Luther King? Who's finished Martin Luther King?
No. Me. No.
Yeah, Mama and Papa.
Malvi, you didn't finish? I'm on Joe Kennedy.
Hey.
Is that really your eraser? And then, alright, you're on Joe Kennedy. Yeah. Okay, wait. Do the right thing.
I think someone chewed up our regular eraser.
Oh my god! What? Somebody chewed the eraser. Are they a meat eater or an eraser eater? It's Quaker. It's Quaker right there. It's Quaker. It's Quaker. Have your son just eaten the whole eraser? Dr. Cambone. No, listen, no. Uncle Abadele. Uncle Abadele. Quaker was holding here. And Auntie Carla told me to get her down. So he was holding the thing. He was holding the thing like this, and then he just did this. He smiled too. And then he just did this to my face, and then he just kicked.
Hey, Asakon. That one is capoeira.
And he gets taco soup.
But we already learned that at the what's it called?
Capoeira, peanut butter kids.
What's
Oh, and he did not hold.
Y'all weren't at there. That's why.
Bruh.
Yeah.
Move it. No,
We learned capoeira.
And see, I know you're in Kora, you didn't catch in a yammo. So those are children who are made out of peanut butter.
The people at the peanut butter kid.
I'm made out of
You were made out of peanut butter.
I'm made out of peanut butter.
That explains why Kamal's got
Is
that
it-
skin, bro.
This ain't no peanut butter skin.
Yes, that's peanut butter. Isla, isn't this peanut butter skin right there? That's peanut butter skin.
This is some chocolate skin right
Yeah,
here.
this is chocolate.
No.
If you want chocolate cake,
That's
instead of
chocolate.
Ago! Monja, the more kind of monja majuma. That's what you're talking about and do your work. Navonia, baby.
I finished my work.
Baby. You.
Maybe.
Never told you
You won't Jomo Kenyatta.
I finished Jomo Kenyatta.
Oh my god.
We fast
The smart people are the fasters.
That's the fast writer.
Wait, Mount Chi. They made a new update for Minecraft.
For what?
Minecraft Pete, guess what? At first you can go, at first you couldn't go to the end. You know there? Now you can.
No, but in Assassin they made a new update. Now it starts.
Another one?
Yeah, loading game assets thing, and now it's like different map Christmas.
Oh my god.
Now, yes.
Oh my
Assassin's
goodness. Could you
Right,
stop
no.
talking what she's talking about and work.
We're finished
We
working.
finished with our
So
work.
you can.
Well, you still don't need to be talking about that. You need to be practicing your
You
song
can go
for
to
your
the end
ancestor
now, and you can
entry.
see the Ender Dragon. They have the Ender Dragon, and they have
Mama
Ender
Carla
City.
said that I'm going last in order.
And Chi, they even have the Ender Dragon.
Ya
and
Santiwa.
City.
Wait.
Ya
Wait,
Santiwa.
wait.
Baba Fion Compremane. Oye Beme. Asantima ya
Ah,
kawo.
dang.
Ya mamu
dang.
neko. Navonia, this for you. Ya Santiwa. Ya Santiwa.
Oh, Baba Fion Compremane.
Oye Beme. Asantima ya kawo. Ya mamu neko. Ala, have you written everything? I'm aware of you. But today, Navonia, yes, and to a Jumano. So, Navonia, you'll be responsible for teaching it to Amaria when you get home.
Chi, can you do this?
Bruh, you're acting like it's like this.
Ama, one kilo or.
You have to put it on the end.
Yes, and to a Jumano. And yeah, Famano Nankasa.
Now, can you do it like this? Like that? Like that.
Come on, where are you? Where are you?
See, look, you gotta go like that, like that.
Wait and run, wait and run.
No, Mama, come out, play a side.
Doctor, by the way, can you do this?
Wait, hold on. I shouldn't do this.
Keep on pressing it.
No, come out, play a side and move up.
We can't play it.
No, like
We can't play it. Only one of us have to get on the server. Everybody has to get on one server because assassin is for real quick.
we can wait for each other to leave. So we can wait for some player to leave. No, because it's Christmas edition.
Bro, okay, I'll just join that. Bro, you know Levi and Ironside? 13. I have 400 something kills.
The zebra.
Zebra for
I traded it for
Zebra
him.
knife.
I traded him it.
He traded it. I got the zebra and the meniscus thing.
Oh, bro, I have camos too. That legendary.
Give me the camera.
Until now, so you're busy. You're not assassin.
Somebody has unicorn. You know unicorn?
No, look. Someone.
Chi, Ati. Ati, I said, Mekai. Did you hear what I said? I didn't make kind.
Sorry.
The song.
Jumba.
Oh my
Wait,
gosh,
no,
I
that's
smell
the
French
Ghana-
fries.
Wait, no, that's a Ghanaian song about for the culture.
What?
And then you're busy on it. So when we're done with this, we'll learn that song too.
My bad.
You're not assassin. I bored in the Maya. Moja na
here we
na
go.
no
Tape
shebu
3.
na di to
Almost.
ho
Bam,
Maya.
man.
flipping pizza.
Say yeah, yeah, trust.
Right there, boy.
And
And look at this. Look at this, y'all. Look at this.
Oh my god. Easy, my man.
No, you were grabbing that. Look.
You
wanna
Next time, No, fail. Go.
It's the national
No, look.
anthem of Ghana.
I know.
It's a what?
National anthem of Ghana.
Look. Go.
And see, so we're going to do something else.
Go. We're flipping ball. Go.
And see, Chi, throw Yanara assassin.
Yana assassin.
So write that down. Yanara assassin.
Wait. Only me?
See, you're the
Those
smart one, right?
who are already done. Yanara Amara. Once will count. So you two.
Can you write it on the board here? Can you just write it here? Oh my god.
Yes, I did it. Yes. The ultimate flip.
Yes, so Amara, I want you to write this new song. We're going to do a different song today. So I'll tell you what the words
You were
are
about to
and
say
we'll write it in the
Confesse?
book.
No, I was.
No, I heard you. You were about to go like, Chi. I heard you.
Okay, watch this.
I don't know anything. He was about to sneeze.
Okay.
No, he said he was about to say Confesse. His brother. He was.
I was gonna say my brother on accident.
Aha!
Bang. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Bro, did you just see that? Look
Where
at
is Martin Luther King Jr.? Is everyone done with Martin Luther King Jr.?
Oh, yeah. Look at this.
Yeah.
Oh!
Maria, where have you gotten to?
No, go on Vine. That's something
And see, when you now, have you done all this?
Bro, Vine is dead. Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
It's YouTube. Vine is dead. My brother told me Vine is dead.
He watched that crappy channel real quick. The one that hates on Vine.
So, Rhea, have you written everything for Martin Luther King?
Or football vines. Or Hello Neighbor.
Or Dan is not on
Ago! Ago!
Amen.
Kwame say Momo Monsam. Kwame say Mo Huri Huri.
Mama, I can't
Oh my gosh. Did you
Kwame
just
say
see
Momo
that?
Monsam.
She look.
Bruh. No,
Okay.
look.
No, look.
Look it up.
Look, right there. Flipping the pizza. Flipping pizza.
Look at this.
No.
in the world.
Uncle Badil.
And you can catch
Uncle
it.
Badil. Uncle Badil.
In the sky.
Okay,
Montanasi.
And it will come down
Okay.
until
Kwame Ankashi. Kwame say Montanasi. Kwame say Montanasi. Amara.
Just now stepped on it. Okay, watch this. 1,
Ama.
1, 2, 1,
You say Mayim Konya.
And that was funny when the kids just walked on.
Hey, say.
2, 3.
I'm going to run Yansa.
I have to get to 9 and
No,
then
look.
Wait for moi.
Look. Look at this real quick. Look. 1, 2, 3,
When Yansa can see a jadi by.
5.
I got
5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Missed it.
Nah.
On the last one.
Can you do it 20 times?
okay.
Okay.
No.
2,
That's what we're about.
3,
I know about it.
4,
It requires a
5,
cover.
6.
Ama.
I bet. I bet you gotta practice how to do it like 20
Listen.
times.
Give me a paper.
3,
Because you
4,
Can
5,
you do it 10 times?
6. Oh, I can do it 10 times. Alright, watch this. Wait, what? 2. I look. Cheat. You're doing it all wrong.
No, I'm gonna write it my way, and you're gonna see it, bro.
I'm making a house.
No. Not all houses look like this. God. You just gotta write it like this. There's no fancy way to it.
Is that a rocket?
Thank you so much, Dave.
Bruh, this is
Bruh,
so
no.
bad.
No.
Bruh, this is bad, my man.
No.
Bruh, that's right, bruh.
No, please.
Right. What is this?
That's an eraser roll.
Real.
Is that?
You say one like if it's a rocket or a house.
Is it a rocket house?
Oh.
You see right there. You see right there. You see right there. Come on.
Oh, it's a diamond.
Well, let me decide. Until you show me the.
That's dead, bruh. That is dead.
It's a rocket diamond.
That's not a diamond.
It's a cookie.
That's a spoon.
Cookie? What kind of cookie looks like that?
Is it a 7?
A cookie can look like that sometimes.
Because she's looking at the.
Richie, you're copying off it and it still looks bad.
Oh, really?
Is it a chocolate?
Right there.
What the heck is
Right
this?
there. No.
You
no.
said it mistake. Cuss words.
What in the
It
world?
looks like
is
a
this?
rocket.
Bro, wait, stop mouthing.
Stop. Let Chi do his
Keep it
first.
to me.
Do it, Chi.
I finished.
I go. I go.
That's not it, man.
I go.
I'm in.
Mon sorry.
Like I'm falling for that.
Kwame say mon sorry.
Come on, yours is disgusting.
Come out.
I hurried.
It's rush. See right there, my boy.
Yenara assassini.
Yeah, something.
Yenara assassini. One time. Kala.
7,
Tyler right
8,
That's it.
9,
Not come out.
10.
Aya board in the Mayan.
Hello, dinner.
Yenara
I'm gonna show you how to
assassini.
not work.
You know assassin.
Aya board in the Mayan. Where are you? Where are you? Maybe so
I'm in the
awesome.
camera.
Come on.
Yes,
Che.
you're asking me a question.
Where are you?
Where are they?
I know name says he can. Who can say this word?
Moja.
Moja.
Come on, how do you do it now?
She has it all wrong.
What?
She has it all wrong.
No, mine is no.
This is all wrong.
Moja no shegui.
Two.
Shegui.
My S is better. No, that's it is.
Two. Three. Okay.
Because I was rushing. See?
Okay, now wait.
Now, if I wasn't rushing, it would
Now you
Why
go
not where you Nana George Washington Carver?
the middle.
And yeah, we not yeah how Juma CCU. This is not what we're working on now.
Wait, no, it's at the end.
Ayla.
Wait, Isla, did you finish this? Did you finish the drama?
Inti mon churo churo we.
My cramp.
So everyone, we're working on this. Write this down. Yenara asasini ayabo dende maye moja na no shegwi.
Is
We
this
have
what
to
they
sing
say
this on
every game?
Kwanzaa.
Thank you, Isla, for reminding. Thank you. Now we have something else for them to sing as well.
Oh, yeah. Okay, yay. It's not a yay, Kosi.
Oh my god, no.
Moja na no shegwi nyadito
Yeah, Anya, asasane.
ayabo dende maye moja na no shegwi nyadito maye.
Bro, you're saying it too high.
That's
Nobody can
higher.
hear you.
That's high pitch right there. You can't even say hi, Isla.
I know you. Has everyone finished George Washington Carver?
Yes. Daddy.
Come on.
Kosi.
Kayla, Fiho.
I'm helping you.
Wait, is the
Kosi.
pledge
I'm done,
long?
but she's not.
Is it long?
What?
The affirmation.
Yes.
Yes.
Don't erase the song.
It's really
I'm
that
not erasing the
long.
song, I'm erasing the song.
Wait, Dr. Cambone, is it long?
Kakra.
Small?
No. What he means by small is 10.
Oh, sorry. Is that how you do it?
10 what? That's not
Music in
No,
my
that looks too deep.
It's too
It's
thick.
supposed
Excuse
to
me,
be
Kayla.
crazy
Sorry.
right there.
Too thick. Just to let you know I made both of those that he has.
Yenara asasini ayabo dende maye moja na no shegwi nyadito maye adume ne wonsoso seyeye biatwaso.
Wait, that rhyme intrigues me.
Not done yet, so get all this down.
Is that all?
Oh my gosh. Uncle Obadale, that's so quiet, but that's high. Oh!
She's trying her best. I could feel her.
But that's high. No, she could break glass with that.
But she can't break it.
No, she could
Alright,
break
Paja, you know him.
bulletproof glass with that.
Over to my.
No lie.
No, you can break glass if you scream loud enough. Isla can break glass.
We have a guest star, a guest singer.
Who?
Is it her?
Aha. Paja, what did say?
That's a nice walk.
Elizabeth. Oh, Paja, what Ghana din?
No, she walked in at the right time.
Akosi abuajewa. Enti, my channel kase. Ena akosi abuajewa. Ane. Machi. Enti, ose. Eya machi. Eda so ya no pa. Enti.
It's still morning.
Aha. Enti, obeto jom ama ya na afedi ma yentie. So let's listen.
Yenara nyasasini eyabo dende maye moja na nanu shegu nyadeto ho maye edrume ne wonsoso seyebe ye biatwaso nimdiatwaso koto kani ni apese minkunya enye bemu amaya sase ho domato se Omai sebeye yo, omai serinye yo, enye se wan ose, oma fomra netre. Omai sebeye yo, omai serinye yo, enye se na ose, oma fomra netre.
Yay! That's the fire. Now her singing voice is even better than mine, believe it or not.
How was your voice?
Yeah!
Please don't get me started.
Oh.
Please don't get me started.
Yo.
Sing.
No.
You were singing in.
The girls, no, that one was better. No, that was better.
Yeah, that one
That
was
was the
better.
nice one.
Okay, sing your voice.
Mieba, I'm coming.
Sing it. Don't do what you did.
Yo, Mieba.
But that's how you sing.
See, Isla wouldn't know.
Now, go say that.
Isla, if you were chosen to sing that song.
Now, say, Obi ya bibi mawa. What can I say? Yedasi, Mayanka, Yedasi. Yedasi. That's to say, we, thank you. Yedasi.
Yeah, that's. What time is it?
11:59.
Oh! Lunchtime.
11:59 is almost 12 o'clock. It's afternoon.
Isla,
I meant 10:59.
Isla, you don't actually believe that what Mama said was the actual time, do you? Don't get your hopes up.
She does. Isla, it's not 11:59.
What time is it?
It's 11:09.
What?
Oh, the rhyming was good.
That didn't work.
Yes.
Yes, it did.
You said
11:59.
9:09. That does
I
not.
said it's not 11:59. It's 11:09.
Oh, that's lovely. Lovely rhymes. What is lovely rhyme?
Lovely. What in the world, bro? This girl gets nothing.
Yeah, come.
Debbie.
I dang. What are you writing?
Wani-
Exactly.
Wanim hohono.
Ha! What is
I just now said wanim hohono.
Okay,
How can you steal
listen.
this stuff?
Okay,
What is
that's sign language.
What did you just say?
Shut up.
What?
We're going to do the first stanza.
He said.
Space.
That right.
Savage. That thing was.
Okay.
It poked me. It hurt.
Bad idea to wear a neck shirt. Bad idea.
What is this? What? You have a neck shirt. Wait.
Give it back. Give it back.
Bro, that poke your neck.
Give
Goes through
it
your
back.
body. That goes through your body if you poke it.
Done. Look. Isla was planning to throw that shirt straight through your back. She's like,
You should not do it harder. I wouldn't.
no, it's a
mind.
dart. Dang, it looks like a dart.
Bro, that thing looks like a mini dart. Look like one of those short things like that. Next thing you know,
What
it
is
has
a
like
dart?
Bro, I look. It's like remember that thing we used to throw at the market at the store where Daddy used to take us to.
Where we at Jomo Kenyatta? Has everyone finished Jomo Kenyatta?
I
She'll be there, so look on to someone else.
whoever. Ow!
Yeah.
Look at your.
I finished mine. Season 1.
I got you.
She look. I might have to just write scribbly lines. That's gonna take up the whole screen, Dr. Obade.
See, I told you, he said crack. That's over 10 lines.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Maybe the whole sheet. Wait, is the back of the board wood?
Yes.
No. It's brown.
That's wood, man. That's the termites are gonna eat everything. I could already feel the termites
And then
eating
we'll be
down here.
left with some white plastic.
Look, the only thing will be left is with
She
dead
turn
pencils
around.
under here.
She turn around.
Look, when the termites eat everything, all we'll be sitting on is grass with dead pencils sitting there like, why did I fall through the crack? Like literally, I saw a pencil under there.
I
saw right
behind you.
It's already taken past.
She was doing this with her pencil. Like
threw it at
this.
my back.
At who?
She threw the dart.
Oh. Hey.
Kayla was doing this to your back.
Ago.
Ane.
Ago.
Look, mine feel like
Yenara asasini. Ayabo dende maye.
Wait, that's it?
Mojana na no shegu nyadito
That's not it?
maye. Adume ne wososo. Seye be yatwaso. Nindentra so konton krane ne apese min kominya. Adiye bramoda maya sasu drato munse. Omano se me yo. Omano se nye yo. Ayasin na hose. Omanfo brane chre. Omano se be yo. Omano se enye yo. Ayasin na hose. Omanfo brane chre. Omano se be yo.
You're gonna have to say it again.
Start writing, Isla.
This is hard.
Wait, you started?
Did you do what's the times 2 for?
You're drawing an S.
Make sure that you sing that twice.
Die.
I'll put a mouthful down on
You're
this
drawing
one.
the S of her. They're too close.
Ali, you messed up totally. Okay.
Ayla. Fakrata nombra. Fakrata nombra. You say
Bring the
fakrata
paper.
nombra.
Bring the paper.
Give her the
Fakrata
paper.
nombra. See what dear who have been more idea.
What is that? What? I don't get it.
I Bibi I won't pass what here. You say Bibi I won't pass what here, won't you say, who boapa say won't you say, now so many prefer say what you want to say. And the minimum answer, or yes, I say, Brabia, Damaka say, now one yenasa. Now after the who say, Bibi I will pass or you know, Bra will pass with Virgin Phony. Now, who patch it say, wanted the mechanism, now so many prefer say, what did the mechanism, and say, I just I don't know, yeah, do my mechanical say, or so, yeah. What I say, Bibi I make I say, I was so true, and on I was so true, and won't mean to actually say, over catch the word to you, and say, yeah, and about Serena, why you were Juma Kama, every say, none of that be able to see you, and say, yeah, it's a super, and that Bibi ever could hear the amount, what I say, no corner, the person, catch it.
What was that all in English?
What was that? Can you translate that all in English?
David. What do you want to
Look, it's gonna take 5 minutes.
You already understood.
Later.
You understand?
What did he say?
Do your work. I just said do your work.
What?
You just now said do your work.
You
All
just
of that was
said,
do your work.
do it.
All of that was do your work, man.
Honey.
Oh my God.
You go, come out.
Yes.
Yenara assassin.
What did he say?
Yenara
What did he say
assassin.
again?
Honey. Yenara assassin. Yenara, so hour. So say yenara, so the ara is for emphasis. Yenara, so it's hour. So in English you would do that by saying it louder. In P you would do it by adding ara to the end. Yenara, so it's like this is hour. Assassini, land it is. Ayabo dindin maye, it is a valuable thing for us. Ayabo dindin maye. Mojana na na no shegui. So so it is blood that our ancestors spilled. Mojana na na no shegui nyadito homaye. Obiatu. Just from everyone singing it.
Where it's 2 times.
Also, what to be called Abibifahodie so Nawakai, but you can also learn the lyrics on Abibifahodie.
Oh my gosh.
Mo,
We're
I idea.
almost done.
What's that?
That's an all. Adume ne won so. Minto. Adume ne won so. Ago. Adume ne won so. Be ye biatwa so. Nindian traso. Koto krane. Na pese min kominya. Adiyembra mudem. Adiyembra mudem. Maya sase hundo to muse. Ato muse. So, Yenara assassini, this is our land. Ayabo dindin mayen. It is a valuable thing for us. Mojana na na num shegui. So it is blood that our ancestors spilled. Nyade to ho mayen. And they did it. Right, and they did it for us. So their blood spilled down there for us. Adume ne won so so. Adume ne won so so. So it has arrived at us. So it's saying it's our turn. Say yebe yebia twaso. That we will do some in order to continue on.
Yeah, twaso.
So that's to continue. Nimdian traso. So that is when people want to pretend like they know too much. Nimdian traso. Nkoto krane. So this is when people are very arrogant and conceited. Napese minko minya. So that's selfishness. Adiyembra modem. So to do something them is to cause it damage. So it's saying it's damaged our lives.
Okay.
Maya sase hundo. Atumuse. Making the love for our land fall off.
My thing almost died.
Mmienu. So that's our land, our nation. Sebeye you. If it will do well. Mmienu senye you. If our land will not do well. That is very clear to see. A man for that the people of the nation, it shows.
What is that X2 for?
That you sing this part twice. This is the chorus. So a man for so the lives of the citizens is what it shows. So if the nation does well or if it doesn't do well, it shows how we are living, right? And so let's sing it again. Yenara assassini. Eyabo dindi maye. Mojana na na no shegu. Nyade to ho maye.
Do you like pizza?
Adume ne won so so.
Your mom's ugly child.
Say yebe yebia twaso.
You're a double
Nimdian
child.
traso koto krane.
Wait. Ask a question. Ask a question.
Na pese minko minya.
Wait, hold up.
Adiyembra mudem. Maya sase hundo to muse. Mmienu sebeye yo. Mmienu senye yo. Ayasin na hose. Omanfo brana echre. Mmienu sebeye yo. Mmienu serenye yo. Ayasin na hose. Omanfo brana echre. Afidye mundi mechi yina yabetobum. So now you won't follow me. We'll all sing it together. Into yen kind intro. Why crowd? Are y'all ready?
Debbie.
Oh, Adang. Adang. Come out, mom. Adang. Come out, mom. Come out, mom.
What is Maya card?
Are y'all ready?
Yes.
Mo.
Debbie.
Sorry.
I said no.
Kwame say, sorry.
The people.
Kwame say, sorry. Ah. Debbie. You better sorry, I told you.
I'm up.
Mo. Ama, sorry. Chi.
I'm not doing work.
Sorry.
I'm not
Sorry.
doing work.
mean writing
Sorry.
for you?
Wait, I was writing for
Sorry.
her?
Yes.
Kayla. Sorry.
Oh my gosh.
Navonia.
Nobody's writing for me.
Amara, sorry.
That's not one.
Come out.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Kwame say sorry.
Non sorry.
Memboa. Memboa ana. Sorry.
He just said
Chi.
sorry.
Cheese, sorry.
Done.
You're done?
Time.
That is a little bit.
Baruch.
No. He wrote it.
Amaria.
He wanted me to finish it, and I finished.
I finished mine. Oh.
Mon cher fan.
What time is it?
You're welcome.
11:21.
You're welcome. It's 11:21. Oh my gosh. 29 more minutes. 29 more minutes.
You mean 9 more minutes?
I said 29 more minutes.
No.
Wait, you mean in 11:30?
Yeah.
Yes.
You, Cobra.
No, yeah.
Well, that's 29 more minutes. What you
Yenara
talking about?
assassini.
And now more minutes is gonna be 11:10.
Maye. Mojana na nu shepunya de to maye. Adume ne woso so. Say me ya kwaso. Ndia traso konto krane na pese min komenya. Adi yembra moja maya sase hondo to muse. Omano se beye yo. Omano se renye yo. Ayase na hose. Oman for bra nature. Omano se beye yo. Omano se nye yo. Ayase na hose. Oman for bra nature. Yenara assassini. Eya boarding de maye. Mojana na nu shegunya de to ho maye. Adume no so. Sebebe seyebe ye biatwaso. Nimdian traso konto krani na pese min kominya. Adi yembra moja maya sase ho doto mose. Amano sebe ye yo. Amano sebe yo. Eyase na hose. Amako brane chre. Amano sebe ye yo. Amano senye yo. Eyase na hose. Amako brane chre.
Okay.
Yoo-hoo!
That sounds good.
What's good?
What's good, my man? It's XX Dope.
It's XX Savage right here listening. We're gonna be playing Roblox in life today. What's good?
His name is XX Savage XX. Wait, no. His name is XX Skin Bear XX.
I don't know why.
XX Skin. But my name is XX Dope.
Uncle Obadile.
You need
Can I show?
Maybe.
Hey.
Yes.
What is it? My new desktop
Beep,
photo from Roblox.
Beep, 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 beep. Excuse me.
What's it of me selfie?
Yeah.
What face did you have?
Look at that.
We'll try to stop waiting. Do they know do they have the man face in Roxy and Light? Yeah.
No, but the man face is creepy.
Yes.
But I switched mine to the chill face.
Me too.
No, I can't
Creepy,
remember.
especially with that scar.
I know, bro. It looks like it's been murdered somebody with them big eyes. I can show him 1 second.
What's here?
Hold up.
Oh, what time is it? Oh my God. It's going
Don't try humping my son.
She wants to speak.
Is non-stop music.
Vodafone. Come on.
So one more
At
time.
the end of the sentence, you always gotta put period.
At the end of the sentence, can we
So as we listen, let's sing
I'll
it.
show you.
I go.
Amen.
I go.
Amen.
I go.
Amen.
So as we listen to it, and Akosia Bwajua. And Akosia Bwajua. So we're all going to sing it together. And so we'll sing it all together with the song. I go.
Amen.
I go.
Amen.
I go.
Amen.
Why you crado?
Amen.
Isla just got darted.
Bako. Mmienu. Mmiensa.
Chichi, look.
No hurt yourself.
Yeah, how be?
5, 6, 7.
I go.
9.
Baruch. Sorry.
Can I?
The dark hurts you.
Can I push
You
it
step
back?
on someone's boob.
Yeah.
Okay, come on, wait. I'm coming.
And see, mine to you, Mmienu. So let's sing our 2 songs. Ya Santiwa, O Baba, si au comprem one way. O ye beme, a Santima, ye kaiwo, ye mamone kon. Ya Santiwa, O Baba, si au comprem one way. O ye beme, a Santima, ye kaiwo, ye mamone kon. Ya Santiwa, Ya Santiwa, O Baba, see our comprehend one way. Boy, me, a Santima, ye Kaiwo, ye Mamoneko. Ye Mamoneko. Ye Mamoneko. Ye Mamoneko. Ye Mamoneko. Mamoneko. Ye Mamoneko.
Fireworks.
Ye Mamoneko. Ya Santiwa, Ya Santiwa, O Baba, si anko premame. Wele, Na Santiwa, Ye Taiwo, Ye Mamoneko. Ya Santiwa, Ya Santiwa, O Baba, si anko premame. Oye bemi, Na Santiwa, Ye Kaiwo, Ye Mamoneko. Ye Mamoneko. Ye Mamoneko. Edriso hime. Oba Bessie. Who comprehend one way? Yea, Mamma. You know, Moon Queen. Yes, so him me. Ya Santiwa, Ya Santiwa. O Baba, see you comprehend one way. Where Benny, a Santima, ya Kaiwo, your Mamma Nico. Ya Santiwa, Ya Santiwa, O Baba, si ya comprehend one way. Oya beme, a Santima, ya Kaiwo, ye Maomonico. No,
Do that to me. Thank you.
Yenara Assassini,
Wait, what?
Eya boarding the Maye, Mojana, Nana, no Shagun, Yadeto, Maye. A drumene once or so. Say ye be ye biatwaso. Nimbian traso, conto cranin, apese, min cominia. Adiembra modena, ya sasimondo atumse. Omano se be ye yo, Omano se ye yo. Yasin ma hote, Mafo grametre. Omano se be ye yo. Omano se ye yo, aya se na hose, omanfo branetre, omano se be ye yo,
That's not right.
omano se ye yo, aya se na hose, omanfo branetre. Yenara assassini, mayina mayinto jumno, yenko. Yenara assassini, Metremo. Yenara assassini, Yina mayinto jumno boom. Let's sing the song together. Yenara assassini, Eyabo dende maye, Mojana na no shegunya dito maye. Adrumene wonso so, say ye be ye biatwaso, nimbientra son koto krane na pese min kominya. Adi embra mude maya sasi hondo atumse. Omano se be ye yo, omano se nye yo, ayase na hose, omanfo branetre. Omano se be ye yo, omano se ye yo. Aya se na hose, omanfo brana etre.
You keep on getting caught. I love
Assassini, aya boarding the maye, Mojana na num shegun yadito maye. Adumene wonso so, say ye be ye biatwaso, nimbientra son conto crane na pese min cominya. Adiembra mudema ye sase hondo atomse. O mano sebe ye yo, o mano sebe ye yo. Ayase na ose, o manfo brametre.
get out
O
of
mano sebe ye yo, o mano sebe ye yo. Ayase na ose, o manfo brametre.
Okay.
Lunchtime.
Drink.
Wait.
Coffee.
What is it?
Yeah, Bye-bye, Sophie. What is wrong? What the? Excuse me, I dropped my eraser in the chair.
Okay, we'll get it for you. Hold on 1 second.
Can we please go to lunch? It's 11.
It's
It's almost 11:40.
Yeah, but today.
It's almost 11:40.
It's 11:37.
My stomach is starving for food now.
Okay, we're gonna sing our songs one time each, and then we go eat. Only if you do a good job. Otherwise, we have to sing it again until we do a good job. We have to keep singing it until you do a good job. Until you Mmienu.
Here,
Yeah,
I'll
that's
be
all
in
about
table.
Until they're decan, ya Santiwa.
I'll be in table.
Ya Santiwa. Mayina, everyone stand here.
Everyone stand here. Please, can I go eat?
Debbie Chang.
Why? Please.
Just say what told you me.
Gotcha. Gotcha, please. Come on, man.
Soraya.
Don't do this, bro. I'm trying to hold myself.
Kayla. Come. Bako. Mmienu. Mmiensa. Ya Santiwa. Ya Santiwa. Obaba siyanko premwanwe. Oya beme. Asante maya kawo. Ya mamoneko. Ya Santiwa. Ya Santiwa. Obaba siyanko premwanwe. Oya beme. Asante maya kawo. Ya mamoneko. Ya mamoneko. Ejeso heme. Wo compre moi nous. Hey mamoniko. Ejeso heme. Wo compre moi nous. Oba besie. Ejeso heme. Ya Santiwa. Ya Santiwa. Oba basia compre moi nous. Oye beme, asante ma ye kawo, ye mamoneko. Ya Santiwa, obaba siya compre mwanwe. Oye beme, asante ma ye kawo, ye mamoneko. Ye nara asaseni, eya bo dende maye. Mojana na nanu shegu nyade to ho maye. Adume ne won so say ye be ye bia twaso nim de ntra so nkonto krane na pese minko minya ade yembra mode maya sase ho do atom se omano se be ye yo omano serenye yo yase na ho se oman for brane chre omano se be ye yo omano serenye yo yase na ho se oman for brane chre yenara asase ni eyabo dinde maye moja na no hwegu nyade to ho maye adume ne won so seye be ye biatwa so nim de ntra so koto krane na pese me komenya adi yembra mode maya sase ho do atom se omano se be ye yo omano se nye yo ayase na ho se oman fo bra ne chre omano se be ye yo omano se ye yo ayase na ho se oman fo bra na chre.
Something rhymes.
Yo monko didi.
No, right there. Wait, what did he say?
He said Monko Didi. He didn't say that.
Monko didi. Koso. Monko didi.
You just go.
Kwame say monko didi. Na won didi. Ana come no.